Thanks Maud once again, and we continue our guided tour to take a look at Inspect and Compare. With Inspect and Compare, we offer a high-level perspective on search results and collections we create as part of the Impresso exploration workflow. Scrolling down, you can see the top articles, the top newspapers for a given query, distribution of countries, languages, article content types, etc. We can now add another query here on the right. We get the same rundown, but we are now in a good position to actually see similarities and overlaps across the two collections. You can see United Kingdom matches both of them, but here in the center we see the entities that appear in articles that mention both Arnhem and El Alamein. This is Field Marshal Bernard Montgomery, as we would expect, but there's also war correspondents that are listed here that have contributed articles that mention both places. With the compare function up here, we change gears a bit and we look at the much more contrastive perspective on the two search queries. Again, we have the distributions, but when we go down now to the level of persons, we can see that there's indeed 23 articles that mention Bernard Montgomery in articles that also mention El Alamein, but only 3 mentions of Bernard Montgomery in articles that also mention Arnhem. So his name seems to be much more strongly linked to the Battle of El Alamein than it is to the Battle of Arnhem, even though he was present in both. With this, we take another break in the guided tour, and I'm now passing over to my colleague Daniele Guido from C2DH, who will speak more about the design process.